All right, here we are, end of day one, priming of raw wood doors. So we got a couple things going where we primed everything, these wood ones with sticks. We also primed them with Draw-Tite, which is a sealer. And now we're just kind of going through and fixing some of the holes that are on there and gaps. All the handles, we used a dowel rod, wood filler, and we're using this Quick Wood. Works really good, just for the bigger stuff. And then afterwards, we're using the spot glazing putty. Been using this stuff forever, and it works great too for just a final coat to make sure everything's smooth. Sanding those down again tomorrow, and then we'll give it a second coat of primer. And once we get this primer all set, then we'll be able to get some top coat on here. So actually plugging along actually really well. They got a lot further than I thought they were gonna get, because there's not a ton of room to put all this stuff, but between Jerry and Brandon, they did a good job figuring out where to put the stuff. So this is kind of what you can expect. Bigger jobs, it gets a little tight, but at the end of the day, everything still looks good. You can kind of see there's some spots coming through, some yellow. We ran out of some spot primer today. We have, Sherwin-Williams has a stuff called Pro Block. Works really good for the white, and we'll hit those tomorrow on a place where we sanded down and cleaned, but the yellow and the wood, the tannins coming through. So we'll get those tomorrow. And then again, second coat of primer. We'll get all these primed on the backs. And then after we get the second coat of primer, we'll sand them, get some top coat going. So should be a good day tomorrow, getting these pretty much all squared away. You got questions on painting your wood cabinets? Love to see how we can help you. Love the space you're in with cabinet painting. Hope you have a great day, and God bless.